Today I'm going to show you how to make Payme Mama Maker style. You won't get it like this anywhere else. So to begin, I'm using some ground bay leaf, nutmeg, ginger, salt, and cinnamon. I'm also going in with some raisins, some nuts, butter, condensed milk, coconut, and pureed pumpkin, as well as corn flour, not cornmeal. So I'm going to add in my butter, my softened butter, and I'm going to give it a good mix. I'm going to mix it until it's well incorporated. I know a lot of people like to throw in all the ingredients at once, but I do not do that. I throw in each ingredient, and after each ingredient, I make sure and mix it in well. That's just my method. Another thing I know you may not be familiar with is nuts and Payme, but it's just a personal preference. And of course, you don't have to put it. Another spice that really enhances the taste of Payme is a touch of black pepper, but Jaden doesn't like black pepper. So I'm just going to omit it for this batch of Payme. So once we have added all our ingredients and everything is well mixed in, we're going to move to the other step, which is preparing the banana leaves. Actually, the banana leaves should be prepared before, but I'm going to show you how it's prepared. Over open flame, I'm going to pass the leaf. As the leaf is heated, it will change in color. This is done so that the leaf will become flexible and not break when you're about to use it. Now, after doing that, I normally cut it into the size that I desire, and then I wash my leaves before I wash them, then dry them before putting the mixture on it. Then I'm going to put on the mixture, I'm going to shape it a bit, then wrap it and secure it in the fig leaves or the banana leaves. Some people like to use a string and tie it then, but I like to secure mine in foil paper because you really don't want water to get into it when it's boiling. Or some people steam it, but I'm going to boil it and I do not want any water to get into it, so I'm going to secure it using the foil. This process I'll repeat until all is completed, and I'll place a pot of water on the fire, bring it up to a simmer before adding in my Payme. I'm going to leave that for 45 minutes, giving it a turn once in between to make sure it's cooked evenly. Once cooked, I'm going to strain it in a colander and leave it to cool for 20 minutes before attempting to open it. This is the final product. This is the moment of truth. It's soft and tasty. Hope you enjoy it. God bless you. I love you. Bye.